Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to change TikTok cover or thumbnail after posting a video. So you just need to click your profile picture on the bottom right corner, click on the video you would like to change the cover photo of, click the three lines, and you just need to scroll right to edit post, and here you can edit the cover of the video. Basically just change it to something you like and just click save and click save again. And you need to do these changes within 7 days of posting the video, because after that you will have this edit option that I've just showed you grayed out, so it will no longer be available. If you don't have this option anymore and you really don't like the cover photo, all you can do is basically re-uploading the video to TikTok, downloading the video from TikTok and re-uploading it again. So click on the video, click on the three lines and just click save video, and then it's gonna be saved with a watermark, and you just re-upload it to TikTok with the right cover photo. Alright, so all in all, this is how to change TikTok cover or thumbnail after posting. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.